Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're here to meet the beast. This right here is a 600 watts portable, compact, but powerful blender that's going to be your next on-the-go blender. Why do I say that? Because this is super powerful. So this is really good for doing things like, for example, if you're going out to the gym or if you're going out to work, to the office or to college or something like that, back to school, this could be a really good one because number one, it comes with a silicone over here, which is going to be the base, like a silicone base over here. So it's kind of good to just like for grabbing it and of course like we're taking it with you and put it in your car, for example. But it also comes with accessories right here. You're going to see that are super easy to use and super easy to wash as well as the two straws over here with some cleaning features over here, so making it the cleaning purpose a little bit more easy. 600 watts, as I was telling you before. We have some milk already, we have some banana, and we have some ice as well, because you can do ice as well, since this one, as I was telling you before, is quite powerful. The one thing that I don't like too much is the power cable. It is so short that you need to be kind of like close to something like a power cable, like a plug in your wall to actually use it. It's a little bit short. This one can improve a little bit. Let's actually plug it in so I can show it to you. So let's take a closer look over here. Everything is ready, as you're gonna see over here. You have the on and off button over there, and you have the pulse over here. So this is the one that you're gonna press once or keep pushing if you want, like keep pressing if you want. And this is how you do it, super easy, as you can see over here. And this is telling you that this one is off. And right here, this is kind of like the place that you're gonna put everything, just by removing this part over here, dropping the fruit or whatever you're gonna put in there, and just like super easy, you're gonna find this and lock it. So once that is locked, you can see this way is to take it away, and this one is to lock it. So right now we're gonna actually push it. So once that is white, this is gonna tell you that this is ready to go because it's locked. So you can actually short press. Sorry about the noise, but it's not that loud. I wanna say it's not super loud, but you can see that the ice, it's already done. So no worries about that. And we are pretty much done. And we press one more time and it stops. So I'm back here because of the shorter cable. I had to move to the other place. And now let me show you, this is super easy. So you choose this, and this is why the silicone base is important right here. And you remove this part over here, really easy. And you have a few options. So let me show you the first one. You can actually cover this with the lid and just save it for later if you need, or just take it with you if you're commuting, or just like take it with you to the office. So you have that, or college as well. And then you have this one, so you can actually use this one to sip it more like in an open mouth right here. Super easy, just like this. It's actually really good. Or you can use this one, which is full made of silicone. You can cover this right here, and you're gonna see that it's not gonna spill or anything. And then comes with the silicone tip over there, so you can actually push the straw with it's not gonna spill, it's not gonna happen because the silicone wrap over there. So you can actually use this one, and this is pretty good. This is quite good, I have to say. So that's pretty much it. On the go, super easy to wash, easy to use, powerful enough to melt the ice, like crush the ice and everything that you put in there. And of course, it's gonna work great every single time. It just needs some improvement in the cable, and that's really everything you need to care about. It comes with recipes right here and the instruction manuals, and this little nice box for gifting as well if you want. I like it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. My new favorite on-the-go blender. I hope it's yours too. Thanks for watching. See you soon.